Hey guys, it is the 4th of December. Let's raise the camera. You can see the decorations in the back. And yes, it is a master, but I do believe this is the only one in the bucket that are actually a master. This is a cable lock. Can be used for guns, but it can also be used for many other things. I don't have a key, as for most of these locks, but let's see if we can get it picked. That can't be real. Seriously? Only the pin in the back. Well, what did we expect from a master? Only the back pin was necessary to be picked. That is almost unreal. How many pins are there in this? Out of 4 pins, only one have to be pushed to open it. That's master in a nutshell. Alright, because that went so quickly, let's rake, rock and sip it. And see if we can. Well, that went quite easy as well. Maybe the worm rake is a bit too big, but we'll try. It wasn't too big, it did open. And sip it as well. With the W rake. And the pig is stuck. Well, there was a reason for that. So in general, this is just crap. Now I can't get the pig out. There we go. That was terrible. I promise this will be the only master in this series. Okay, let's put it on the tree, guys. And there we go. Let's put it right there. I think that's the spot it can be in. And still have room for all the other locks. So, that was by far the quickest video, I think, for this series so far. So guys, that's all you get for this 4th of December. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.